Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight's story is a new chapter for the Forest Kingdom. If you enjoyed my story, please bookmark, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In the magical Forest Kingdom, there lived a remarkably clever raccoon named Chuangpu. As the year 2024 approached, the kingdom witnessed the grand event of a royal election to choose its new king. Filled with ambition and determination, Chuangpu decided to enter the competition and vie for the title. However, Chuangpu's opponent was no ordinary contender. It was the wise and venerable Bedtime, an old mountain goat. Bedtime held widespread support in the kingdom due to his past contributions during challenging times. This made Chuangpu's challenge more daunting, but he remained undeterred and even more determined to fulfill his aspirations. The first debate of the royal election unfolded at the Kingdom Square. Chuangpu and Bedtime articulated their visions and plans for the kingdom. Chuangpu emphasized the innovation and vitality of the younger generation, proposing a series of plans to improve the kingdom's ecological environment and promote the common prosperity of its inhabitants. On the other hand, Bedtime highlighted his extensive experience and profound understanding of the kingdom, pledging to maintain stability based on traditional values. In the following weeks, Chuangpu and Bedtime engaged in fierce and passionate campaign activities throughout the kingdom. Chuangpu rallied a group of young and energetic supporters who collaborated on designing slogans, creating propaganda, and organizing various lively gatherings for his campaign. Simultaneously, Bedtime's supporters orchestrated a series of traditional and dignified events, underscoring their reverence for traditional values. The entire kingdom was shrouded in a tense atmosphere as the election day drew near. Animals from all walks of life gathered at the polling stations, eager to cast their votes and express their choice for the ideal king. Chuangpu and Bedtime demonstrated their charisma in the final debate, attempting to win the support of the undecided voters. Finally, the day of the election arrived. Excitement filled the air as the animals gathered in the square, eagerly awaiting the announcement of the results. The ballot boxes were opened, votes were counted, and in the end, Chuangpu emerged victorious by a narrow margin. His supporters erupted in cheers, while Bedtime graciously congratulated Chuangpu and extended his best wishes for the kingdom's future. Chuangpu assumed the role of the new king, standing solemnly and excitedly in the center of the square to deliver his speech. He pledged to exert effort to lead the kingdom towards a more prosperous and harmonious future. Bedtime, in turn, expressed his willingness to fully support the new king, offering his experience and wisdom to contribute to the kingdom. Amidst cheers and blessings, Chuangpu embarked on his reign as king. He led the kingdom into a new chapter, injecting fresh vitality and hope. Chuangpu understood the responsibilities and challenges that lay ahead, but he was prepared to face them all, determined to bring a brighter future to the entire Forest Kingdom.